Hello, my name is Danny Nowlan and I'm the Director of ChassisSim Technologies, and welcome to this latest ChassisSim video tutorial. And ladies and gentlemen, what we're going to be discussing today is what is ChassisSim Elite. Now, ChassisSim Elite, ladies and gentlemen, is everything. It's ChassisSim with it's ChassisSim standard with all the toolboxes. So your bump profiling toolbox, tire force modeling toolbox, the aero and the aero modeling toolbox, and the shaker rig toolbox. It's all included, but it's not just a piece of software, ladies and gentlemen. ChassisSim Elite is inclusive of all updates and support, and it's also inclusive of feature requests, provided they are within reason. But bottom line, ladies and gentlemen, this is what we will sell on an annual license basis to P1, IndyCar, DTM, and F1 teams. Now, at the core of ChassisSim Elite, ladies and gentlemen, is a highly detailed multi-body dynamic vehicle dynamics model. So here's just a quick sample of what you can do with ChassisSim Elite. So you can drill down to a highly detailed aero model, detail to a highly detailed thermomechanical tire model. You've also got the ability to specify nonlinear damper models as well as 3D engine torque maps. But honestly, ladies and gentlemen, that with things such as the electric powertrain module and our curves module, what you're seeing there literally is just scratching the surface. The other thing that ChassisSim Elite brings to the party is its ability to interact with race data. Now, all versions of ChassisSim do this, but with ChassisSim Elite, it really goes over the top. So in addition to being able to create circuits and to be able to use data to create your bumps, using the tire force modeling and aero modeling toolboxes, you can drill down to what the tires and the aero look like. But bottom line, ladies and gentlemen, you can also export this data out. So you can look at simulated laps in data analysis packages as diverse as Wintax, Motec, Pi Toolbox or Cosworth Electronics Toolbox, Bosch's WinDarab, Ames Race Studio Analysis, and McLaren's Atlas, just to name a few. Now, in terms of the types of simulations that you can do with ChassisSim Elite, the first one is track replays. That is, you take the speed, throttle, and steer traces from actual data, and you use this to replay what actually happened with the car. Now, this has two very important byproducts. Number one, it's really good at validating your vehicle model, and number two, it's really good for logging those variables that would otherwise be impossible. So things such as cambers, roll centers, pitch centers, or if they've been banned in various formulas, things such as ride heights as a case in point. Then there's, of course, the lap time simulation that we've all come to know and love with ChassisSim. But of course, this is fully transient lap time simulation, as you can see here with the bumps. And that's where, with the lap time simulation, that's where you're trying out different setups to see which is quicker. The other type of simulation that you have access to with ChassisSim is the shaker rig simulation. This does simulations in the frequency domain. So it's effectively a virtual shaker rig toolbox. Now, the beauty about all this is, in addition to echoing back what the frequency behavior is doing, you also get to see the contact patch load variation. So you can really drill down to see where are the compromises between making sure that the plant is very well controlled and making sure that you've also got good mechanical grip. And this has been used in anger, ladies and gentlemen, in formulas as diverse as FAA GT3, IndyCar, and V8 supercars, just to name a few. In terms of illustrating what is coming down the road, ladies and gentlemen, driver in the loop. Now, the great thing about ChassisSim is, because it's a transient multi-body dynamic vehicle model, what you do in terms of the lap time simulation, track replay, and shaker rig, because ChassisSim is transient, all you've got to do is hit the go baby go button and use exactly the same vehicle model that you used for all those previous simulation tools, and simply just carry it over to driver in the loop. So this way, you've got complete confidence in terms of what you've been tuning with the lap time simulation, shaker rig, and track replay is what you're going to be tuning with the driver in the driver in the loop, and ChassisSim Elite will interact quite nicely with this toolbox. The payoff. What does ChassisSim Elite deliver? If you have done your job right, This, ladies and gentlemen, should be business as usual. Coloured as actual, black as simulated. Speed, throttle, front dampers, rear dampers, steer, lateral G, longitudinal G, front and rear roll. That, ladies and gentlemen, is when you've done your job right, is what ChassisSim Elite will bring to the party. So, to sum up, ChassisSim Elite is the full version of ChassisSim. It's got a highly detailed vehicle model that uses race data extensively, and because with ChassisSim Elite, you've got access to all those toolboxes, you're really using this at its full potential. Now, there are many avenues of simulation, and the correlation is industry standard. However, ladies and gentlemen, don't take my word for it. If you're working for an upper end race team, feel free to fill in the professional team inquiry form on the ChassisSim website. You'll find this on the online simulation tab, and you can try this out for yourself and see just what a powerful tool ChassisSim Elite is.